Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Wat la ka sngi thap vote ha ka election shitang samoy ha Gambegre constituency kadang long ha ka khatlai tri unai weng arja upsaw reu MLA jong ka NPP u Rakkam e Sangma u balong ru u menteri jong ka sarkar jilau Rakkam ba ka kertong jong ka National People's Party ka Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma kan sa job ya ka ne ka election namar bagi pat nong thap vote ka Gambegre house nam arja phulai Kim tip setia manu banthaw ka sarkar Henry Kilajit yu saleng Sangma u balong kertong jong ka Saint Congress u bala hap pensyong ha kaliang persyak.
Madam Chandee NPP will be coming out victorious with a record margin. It looks like, because the people's support is growing more and more because they've understood. Because 2023, Gambegre was in wrong number because they have bought it. They don't know who will form the government. Therefore, unfortunately, they have voted for the Congress, and Saling was in the opposition. So now, maybe what happened for the best. Now Gambegre is getting the best opportunity. They can elect their MLAs who will be very much part of the government. So I think this is a good sign. I'm 100% sure that NPP and Madam Chandee will be coming out victorious. There's nothing like that. All the candidates can consider, right? So and it's not correct to say who is second. I mean who is third. But all the candidates are important to have their ground to speak, to stand. So yes, but during this kind of election, all kind of allegation, all kind of accusation happens, right? Yesterday, I don't know whether you have seen the video or not, but Saling, Honorable MP, was talking openly, saying, I will give you the work order from my MP scheme to every voters of the Gambegre constituency. He's telling. So this kind of things natural happens. So maybe any kind of accusation. So you are the one way, on the other side you are saying the MC has accused NPP, on the other side is Congress, yes, openly luring the people that I will give you the MP scheme for every household here and there. So I think election is election. People will get the highest vote. People will press the button of the books. No? The greatest fear of the politician is they don't want to stay in opposition, right? And in a similar way, the voters too, right? So I'm happy as I'm a voter. If my MLA become the minister, if my MLA become the speaker, if my MLA become the chairman, if my MLA staying in office, right? Because they can benefit a lot, right? So therefore, like people of Gambegre, they have understood that they also need a development. They need a support from the government side, because we need a leader who can connect with the government well, more closely. Because frankly speaking, educated people knows the better way, where to find out, right? Good player knows where to play, where to score, right? So therefore, the good voters, the good politicians knows where to sit better to take the position. So I think very much Gambegre people are there wise enough to elect the leaders. I think people are saying that was the miracle. It looks like a miracle. Nobody expected it was a miracle, and miracle doesn't happen again and again. So now look at you get a ground report from Gambegre. Such wave doesn't exist anymore. So now, like, I mean, this is a time of the intellectual, educated world today. We know survival of the fittest, and struggle for existence. So Gambegre people are fighting for survival of fittest, and the wisest man will exist. So therefore, I think Gambegre, they are wise enough. They're wise enough to elect their leader. And look, during MP election, they fought together. In for Tura MP election, BJP and the Congress, they fought together. That this has been as disclosed openly by Honorable MDC from Tura, who is also the candidate. And contesting of the BJP will be having a huge setback on Congress because they were together for MP election last time. So, you know, right? This is not my statement. It has been stated openly, stated by Bernard himself that they worked for Congress to make Saling win. And they had a meeting at his residence, is what Bernard, he openly declared. So I think they were friends yesterday and today they have to fight each other now. Candidate is threat to anybody, but politics, election is politics. I mean, politics is politics, election is election. So every candidate is equal. They also have a right to contest, right? So it is up to the people, up to the voters, who they want. Many story, right? You think NPP and BJP was fighting together, but on the other day, BJP himself, I don't know, he repent or the declare. He said, we work with Congress to make Saling win. It's what said by the BJP. It's not said by me, anybody. So, politics has a mini story. So, which story you work it out, you believe, so has a mini theory also, right? So, politics is politics.